immunity infusion mocktail. So I have been dealing with some sniffles, and I'm telling you, this did give me the boost I needed. We are going to start with 1 cup of water, stepping away for 1 moment. And just a fun fact, my water was off today. They had a water main break right outside of my house. So I was like, oh, I hope I have water later. That was thankfully at like 9 o'clock when I went, right before I went live. All right, so we've got 1 cup of water. And to that, we're going to add some ginger. Now, this morning I used fresh ginger, but I'm running low, so I'm going to use ground ginger now. And then just a little bit of cayenne, and the recipe's in your curriculum if you want it. So a little bit of cayenne, a little goes a long way for me. It's up to you how much you want to use. And then fresh turmeric. Where did I set my fresh turmeric? 1 moment. All right. I'll just cut some more fresh turmeric. So again, I got this from my CSA farmer. I love him. And if you haven't had fresh turmeric, it is incredible, along with that fresh ginger. And it's organic, so I don't even have to peel it if I don't want to. Just gives me a little extra fiber if I don't. But I will, just for these purposes. And it's going to turn my fingers yellow, which that's how you know it's healthy. And we're going to add just a little bit of maple syrup. So 1 to 2 teaspoons, depending on how sweet you want it. Doesn't have to be sweet at all. You could use monk fruit sweetened maple syrup if you wanted to, but I'm using the real thing. A little bit of lemon juice. And just a little bit of blackstrap molasses. And I'm going to try to eyeball it because it will stick to my spoon like nobody's business. There we go. Little noise. And then we're going to top it off with a little sparkling water. I'm using pineapple, but you could use lemon, you could use plain, you could use a kombucha, just to give it that little bit of fizz, if you like the fizz. And there we go. That's your immunity infusion mocktail.